If you're looking into how to make passive income online, then stick with me in this video because I have just come across an amazing find that not many people are doing, and it involves 3 sites. First one is Etsy, next one is Airbnb, and then the following one is Canva. Now you might argue, what are these 3 sites going to do for you and how are you going to make money from it? Well, the answer is simple. Not only is Airbnb been trending for quite a while now, you can see that it's up and down. It's so much search going into Google Trends on Airbnb. That means there are a lot of people looking for Airbnb products or services. There's also a bucket load of people which are selling or buying on Etsy. And well, Canva, you can actually make templates and sell them on Etsy. And it gets better, even better than that. See, I found a little hack that could get you started from as little as just $5. And the answer to that is right here on Fiverr. But how much money could you expect to make from doing these templates? Well, I had a little look on Etsy, and if you look at some of these are simple welcome packs for people to print out for their Airbnb. They might be welcome books, or they might be all sorts of little bundles for the host to do. And guess what? People are selling them for about $7, £7, and this particular one has sold over, well, about 4,000 times. Now, if you do the math, that's pretty decent. That's around 28,000. And if you enter that into Fiverr, Canva Airbnb welcome book templates, you can see that I put a budget of under £5 or $5, whatever your currency is, and there's still 638 people willing to design these things for you. So you could actually go ahead, spend just £5, get someone else to design it, and then sell it on Etsy. And selling's really simple as well. All you need to do, and all you need to remember, is to actually tick the box where it says digital product. And going from that, just create a simple PDF where they can download the template. So that's the simplest way of making sure that you can make money using Canva templates and Etsy. Now, if you're looking for other ways to make money online, or indeed build that passive income, then I put this video together for you so you can have a look through that and let me know in the comments what type of templates you're going to start with next.